Hey, yes, I thought of things I wanna say but never said it. Searching how to get the girl's attention up on Reddit. Sick of all these worries burying my face hiding. Wishing I could talk without awkward silence. Shit, I'm indecisive, never made my mind up. Say I'm not depressed cause isn't everybody kind of. Hope that I'ma win you over eventually. Wonder if I'll steal the heart of someone better than me. And I don't care for what I've got, cause you're the only one I want. But I can't reach what's in my sight. Take a step into my life. And I don't care for what I've got, cause you're the only one I want. But I can't reach what's in my sight. Take a step into my life. Into my life. Take a step into my life. Hey, diving into the weeds.